Welcome to our LPagery tutorial today. I'll show you how to import page statuses using a Google Sheet into LPagery. We will use Google Sheet for this, but this works also with XLSX and CSV files, of course. Let's start by examining our Google Sheet. Here, we have a list of countries along with a column labeled LPagery status. This column indicates the status of each page: private, draft, publish, and future. For pages marked as future, we need to provide a publish date in the LPagery publisher date column. It's essential that these dates are in the ISO format: year, month, day, followed by a space and then the time. This format is crucial for LPagery to recognize the dates correctly. Next, we'll make the Google Sheet shareable. This allows LPagery to access and process the data within it. In LPagery, select the appropriate template for the pages. Although we set the default status to publish, LPagery will overwrite this based on the statuses defined in our Google Sheet. Remember, if a status is missing for any page in the Google Sheet, LPagery will use the default status. Click Next to preview the statuses assigned to each page: draft, future, publish, etc. You'll also see the publish dates for pages marked as future. If there are any format mismatches, LPagery will indicate this with a dash. This is especially important for the publish dates in the future status. After verifying the details, click on Create Pages. This will generate the pages with their respective statuses as defined in the Google Sheet. Once the pages are created, you'll see the statuses applied as intended. For example, Japan and France will be scheduled with the times we specified, while England will be in draft, the United States in private, and Spain in published. And that's how you use an Excel file to manage page statuses in LPagery, ensuring a streamlined and efficient process. Thank you for joining this tutorial. And this is how you can directly set the status of the created pages from your source file. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.